Hello guys, what's up? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix DNS Probe Finished NXDOMAIN error on your WordPress or coding sites. So let's begin. First, go to your Start menu and just go to the Control panel. And over here, you would like to click on your network status and task. And on the left options, choose Change Adapter Settings. Right-click on your Wi-Fi connection, Properties. You need to select the fourth option, which is Internet Protocol version 4. Select Properties. And over here on the second option or second lower portion, you would like to type these numbers. You would like to type 888888844 and click OK. And then you can try to restart your computer if needed. Then this should definitely fix the error. And there you go. It's done. I hope you found this video very helpful.